Hello friends, welcome you all to Odisha Chhattu Chasa channel. Today we will discuss about few problems and their solutions in paddy mushroom cultivation. So first of all, poor spread of mycelium and bad smell. So how will rectify this issue? We will discuss in Odisha Chhattu Chasa channel. First of all, straw pasteurization was too quick. If you have done sanitization or pasteurization of your straw quickly without the specified period, then you will get bad smell and you will get uneven spread of mycelium in your bed. So first of all, you should know there is a specified period of sanitation, that is 12 to 16 hours. The straw need to be sanitized with proper chemical. Then only you will get good amount of mycelium and pinhead and production in your paddy straw mushroom bed, and you will not get any kind of bad smell. So proper pasteurization and the period given, that should be done. Second is not enough ventilation to decrease temperatures. You know our paddy straw mushroom bed creates temperature. So to decrease, to minimize, to control the temperature of your bed, so there should be proper ventilation system in your paddy straw mushroom farm. Then only you will save the paddy straw mushroom from decomposing and bad smell, because ventilation is very important in paddy straw mushroom cultivation. So proper ventilation you have to check before starting your paddy straw mushroom farming. So ventilation is playing a vital role in increasing your mycelium and decreasing your paddy straw mushroom bed smell. So ventilation, this is a vital thing. You have to you have to keep in mind all these points. Next is too high carbon dioxide. So maximum is 5% carbon dioxide is allowed in your bed, in your farm. So above 5%, if carbon dioxide is there in your bed, in your farm, then it is very bad for your mycelium, for your pinhead and for your mushroom production also. So you have to keep in mind, or you have to check thoroughly your ventilation system should working properly, and carbon dioxide cannot be deposited more than 5% in your bed, in your farm. So all these points is very, very important. If you are a mushroom farmer, if you are a paddy straw mushroom farmer, you have to keep all these points in your mind before cultivating paddy straw mushroom. So carbon dioxide is playing a vital role in creating bad smell and decreasing also in mycelium and pinhead and production. Then hygiene of your mushroom house. So if you are maintaining good hygiene system in your mushroom house, then that also reflects the spread of mycelium, the amount of mycelium you are getting in a bed, and bad smell also. So you have to be very hygienic in terms of washing your hands, in terms of tools that are being used in paddy straw mushroom cultivation, and your surrounding area need to be very much clear, and you should not you should not deposit so much of garbage near your mushroom bed, near your mushroom farm. That also enhance the spread of disease, spread of bacteria around your mushroom bed, and that also increase bad smell and decrease spread of mycelium. Amount of mycelium you are getting, that also will decrease. Then substrate not evenly prepared. Your substrate need to be evenly prepared, your bed need to be evenly prepared. So every nutrient, all the parts of the nutrient in a bed that is used for mycelium, the mycelium should get evenly the nutrients from your substrate. The substrate need to be evenly spread. You cannot make a bed with improper substrate. So your substrate is playing a very vital role. How you are choosing your substrate. If your substrate having no holes, proper holes, then air circulation also becoming very bad in your bed, and that also lead to bad mycelium and bad smell also. So all these points what we are telling today in Odisha Chatuchas channel that are very vital. If you are a mushroom farmer, you have to keep in mind all these things. Then only you will be a excellent mushroom farmer and you will get profit out of your business. Then again, bacteria, other fungi and contamination. Bacteria, other fungi and contamination also reduce the spread of mycelium in your bed and enhance the bad smell in your paddy mushroom bed. So that also you have to take care of. If your bed is infected, if one bed is infected, you have to keep it mind that you have to remove it then and there to other part of, so that all the bed will not be infected. So one mushroom bed if is infected, you have to keep it away from other beds so that all the bed will be saved and you will get good amount of mushroom. So infection also create a lot of hindrance, lot of obstacle in paddy straw mushroom cultivation. So bacteria, other fungi also, other mushroom also, other fungi also create lot of problem in paddy straw mushroom cultivation due to high humidity. That also you have to maintain. If your bed humidity is more, then you have to reduce it so that you will get optimum level of mycelium, pinhead and paddy straw mushroom. So these all points are very vital, very important if you are cultivating paddy straw mushroom and if you are planning to start paddy straw mushroom business. All these points are very vital. You have to be very hygienic. You have to keep away from bacteria, other fungi. You have to maintain hygienic. You have to maintain your ventilation system should be perfect. And most important thing is that insect, mites and contamination. Insects, mites and contamination. Insect is a very major problem here in paddy straw mushroom. Every area near your farm need to be cleaned properly so that there should not be any insect around. And pest controlling also you have to do thoroughly and weekly once so that your surrounding area is clear and you can get good amount of paddy straw mushroom out of your bed. So all these points we have discussed today in Odisha Chatuchas channel, they are very important. You have to keep in mind if you are planning to do paddy straw mushroom cultivation. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you have any problem, any issue, any comments, any suggestions, you can do in your column, remarks column. And thank you all for watching this video again. Thank you.